Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up alerts for a change in payment methods on your Atlas reward credit card. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste much time. Let's just get straight into it. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Atlas account. You can do so on the online banking platform, or you can do that on the mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to select the credit card account that you want to set up a payment method change alert for. And once you have that, just click on account alerts, and you're going to select the payment method change alert options. Now you're going to review and customize the alert settings to your taste. And once it's done, you want to confirm the account alert settings and review the alert preferences. Make sure everything is accurate. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for a change in your payment method on your Atlas reward credit card. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys